Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on this channel, and of course today we are doing another lifestyle video. I recently did a clean with me and an organize my closet with me, but we're going to be continuing on that trend. I promise my channel isn't going to be a cleaning channel for much longer. However, I really wanted to finish getting my house put together because I feel like I'm almost there. My living room's a little bit messy, which you'll see in a second, and so is my kitchen. I already did my closet. And I'm also moving, so there's gonna be some areas that are just gonna continuously be messy, like my dining room table. That's where I have different boxes, which I'll show you in a second, where I'm putting donations and things to give to my sister and stuff like that. So I don't mind if that stays messy, but I wanna like generally get the house clean and put together so I feel a little bit better and more organized for my upcoming move in a few months. And so hopefully we'll get to my room. We'll see how that goes, but I also wanted to make this like a Sunday reset. Typically I would do this video on a Sunday, but this video goes up Sunday, so I'm gonna have to film this on a Saturday. And I made a little printout on Canva actually for my Sunday reset, just to like tick off some boxes on what I really want to get done on a typical Sunday. So it's gonna look different today, but I'll show you what I plan to do in the future just to keep my house a little bit more tidy and not be stressed. I'm just gonna jump into the living room and maybe do a voiceover just so this video doesn't get too long. ready for a break. I'm getting a little sweaty and I'm wearing makeup today. So now is the perfect time. I'll tell you about what I'm doing for my Sunday reset. So I realized I didn't really do any of my Sunday reset things, but here's what it looks like. So I have stuff that I want to do, stuff that Nick should do, and then stuff that we can do together. So for me, I like to clean and refill my espresso machine because water and espresso beans kind of collect at the bottom part, and then I need to refill the water tank and the espresso beans. Then I want to wash my makeup brushes because if I don't wash them every week, then they accumulate and they're super annoying to do later on. And if you hear my dishwasher, that's what's going. And then I like to collect all the garbage from all of the rooms in the house and set it aside for Nick to go throw away at the dumpster, which I can do with him. But that's like one of his things. And then for Nick, I like him to bring all of his laundry into the laundry room, and then I can bring all mine into there and we can like sort it out and do it together. And then he also needs to help me put away and like fold the laundry. And then I like to do a 15-minute tidy of the home on Sundays and then wash bedding. So some things that are also not on here that I like to do every Sunday is I like to like clean and sanitize, like actually sanitize my kitchen counters, which I just did a quick little spray today. I didn't actually sanitize them, but I like to do that. And I made this on Canva, and then I got these little lamination sheets off of Amazon, which I can link down below for you guys if you're interested. So if we wanted to, we could take a little dry erase marker and check off. And obviously this isn't set in stone. What we do kind of changes, but I figured if I ever needed somewhere to start, if I was overwhelmed, if I just looked at this list, these are a couple of essential things that could get me going. And yeah, so I figured right now what we can do, typically what I do is I make a meal plan on like Thursday or Friday because I like really think about it. I'm just like particular with what I'm feeling, so it takes me a while to think about what I want to do. And then on Fridays I put it in an order, a Whole Foods order, and then on Saturday the Whole Foods order comes. But I didn't do that this week because I just got busy with other things. So I figured we could meal plan right now, and then I'll come up with a plan if I'm gonna do like Trader Joe's or if I'm gonna do a Whole Foods order or both or whatever I'm feeling. So yeah, I have also this bullet journal where I'm starting to put all like my lists and stuff and my weekly spread. I'm like so new to bullet journaling. I even have something for like my content calendar that I made. So I have that. And then I have like a weekly spread of like my little planner, which is cool. And then I started a day for March. I haven't finished it yet. Like this is like a monthly spread. This looks like a little kid did it and I'm not even done. But I wanted to add like a ton of different flowers at the bottom, and I do not like what I did with March. But my theme for the month is nurture. It's like focusing on my face. I'm sorry. Let me put my face away. So I just use this little bullet journal lately to write down all my ideas. So I figured we could write down my grocery list in here. Or we'll do my grocery list on my phone because my phone would be more handy. I was not good at writing in here this past week. But you know, some days it'd be like that. But I'll try to be better for next week because I actually do need to keep some dates together in my head. So I know for sure I want, oh, this is the hardest little corner to write in. Ground chicken burgers. That sounds delicious. I think we'll have a pizza night. I also want to find a recipe for like crock pot pulled chicken. That just sounds really good. Oh my god, this is the worst little spot to write in. I promise I write better than this. But crock pot pulled chicken, maybe like we can make it like a one pot dish just to make life easy. And then we'll do one more because then with leftovers, we can have leftovers for lunches. And I'm sure we'll eat out once because that's how we live. And then I need breakfast food. So breakfast, oh, this is the worst. Breakfast food. So ground chicken burgers, pizza night, crock pot pulled chicken. And I'm gonna write down something easy because this coming week I need easy things. So maybe that means I'm not sure. Okay, so I tried to do the meal plan. It was just too hard. I should have just grabbed a different notebook, but I need to think of where I want to shop this week. Also, I have clothes back there on this clothing rack. That's gonna be for like a collective clothing haul. And I meant to put that in my clean with me video, the closet clean with me, and I literally forgot because I was so focused on just getting my closet done. But I think I'm gonna get a few more pieces before I do the collective haul. But if you watch this video, I'll just link down below what I got in case you're like curious and you don't want to wait, but I will be trying that stuff on anyway. Also, I started packing up my wine. Oh, this is Nick's office chair. He has two. This is the second one. I just brought it out here to make my life easy. But all of these wine bags right here, I started packing up my wine and I got those from Amazon. They're super cute. They're a teeny bit small if you have champagne bottles that kind of go out on the sides. If you just have the standard straight and skinny wine bottles, then they'll fit. But isn't that just typical of the world? So yeah, those are okay. I don't know if I would recommend them for like everyday use, but for packing and moving, it'll be totally fine. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but I just needed to pack something, you know? I just like needed to get into that zone. I am definitely crooked. Is that better? So I think what I'm gonna do now is, okay, so I talked to Nick and I decided that we're gonna do all of our Sunday reset stuff tomorrow. So I'm not gonna do any of this stuff today, even though I did like this general cleaning of this area. I just needed to get that done. So maybe that will be my new Saturday thing. Not necessarily for YouTube, unless you guys want it, but for my life, like making sure my living room and my kitchen are clean. And eventually that will be also my bedroom. Like that will be my goal for my bedroom as well. That's gonna have to be a separate video like my closet was, because I have things to organize. That's the thing. Like in here, I feel like I have a home for everything. Everything has a place. I just need to put it away. But in my room, just like with my closet, not everything had a place. So cleaning's a little difficult right now. But I'm glad I'm slowly getting there. I don't know if you can tell, I'm feeling a little bit like lighter lately in my space. Also, I had to clean before I film next week's video. Oh, that's the other thing. So Mondays and Tuesdays are gonna be my filming days now. So instead of how I was doing it before, that way I have more time to edit and more time to film, so I'm not kind of rushed like I have been the entire time I've been like doing my YouTube channel, so that's great. And I have like this little content brainstorm section in my notebook, and a couple things that I have coming up are my beginner-friendly wine picks, in case you know nothing about wine and you want a few solid choices, so that's coming up. I also have an affordable perfume video coming up, so I'm going to show you literally all of the best affordable perfumes out there. I'm talking like under $25, and they're like full-size perfumes. So I want to do that video because most of my perfumes that I had in my perfume collection video, they were all like kind of high-end, and over the past 2 months I've been researching and figuring out the best affordable options for you guys. I dropped my list. So yeah, I think now I'm gonna work on my meal plan for the week in detail, and I will come back when I have a list for you guys because it takes me way too long. Clearly I decided to do Whole Foods. I'll do a little haul for you so you can see what I got. The only thing is I didn't get fruits and vegetables in this because I wanted to go to Trader Joe's tomorrow to pick them out in store, just so I know I was getting fresh produce, but I'll show you what I got in the bags. So here is the first round of bags that I opened. So I got some ground chicken. I think I got 3 for different recipes. And then I got some regular chicken breasts. I got some red onions and a green pepper for taco night. I decided I wanted to have one taco night this week, and fun fact about me, I cannot chop onions because I have like a severe reaction, so I have to get them pre-chopped even though they're more expensive. And then I wanted to have burgers, so I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I just got them both, and I'll pick what I want later. This is for pizza night. Whole Foods has this ancient grain pizza dough, which I really like, so I figured we'd have that. I got these tortillas for taco night. I guess I got 2 pizza doughs. Oh, I think I got a regular pizza dough for Nick and then the ancient grades for me. I got some cheese for a snack. I got some fries for when we have burgers. I didn't know if I wanted sweet potatoes or Yukon Gold. So again, I got both because they will be eaten up eventually because they can go in the freezer. Sour cream. I got these to try. I've never had them before. I wanted to have some pasta this week, potentially, but I didn't know if I wanted to make it. So this just makes life easy. And then also, if I didn't want to do pizza night, I could just make these for fun. I haven't had these since I was like 8, so why not? Okay, so here is the second part of the order. I got these healthy oatmeal bites. They're the Alyssa's cookies. They're so, so good. I love them for a snack. Some brioche buns for burgers. Some yellow potatoes for this crock pot meal that I'm doing that uses one of these seasoning packets. Pizza sauce. Rouse is on sale right now at Whole Foods in case you like their products. Got some sandwich slices of pickles for my burgers. Avocados for tacos and burgers. Got this brownie mix to try out. This was on sale, so I was gonna see if Nick liked that, just as like an extra side dish. I don't know if I would, but I can try it. Bagels for breakfast, which I need to get more breakfast stuff at Publix, like eggs and stuff like that. I kind of forgot a few things. I got some chicken broth. I like to get the big one if I'm making like a soup, and then these small ones if a recipe needs like a cup of chicken broth, because this is like, these are just 1 cup serving, so it's super convenient. And then I saw these, which looked a little bit less weird to me than the other cream of chicken. And then I saw they had a cream of cauliflower, so I was like, that's interesting. I don't know if it's good or not, so I figured I could try it in a recipe that I was making for some crock pot chicken. And yeah, so we got all of this. And then all of this over here. And again, I still need to get some like other staples. I guess I forgot to get milk for my coffee and my favorite omelets that I love to have for breakfast and eggs. So I do have to go to Trader Joe's, maybe Publix, I don't know. But that is the haul for today. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you watched all the way to the end, you're the real MVP. And if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe and hit the like button just so I know that you guys like these style videos. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.